Welcome to Little Champs.
Hello little champs. Today we will learn different types of vehicles that start from A to Z. A. A for ambulance. An ambulance rushes to help people who are hurt or sick. B. B for bicycle. A bicycle has two wheels and is powered by pedaling. C. C for car. A car is a vehicle that people use to drive to different places. D. D for dump truck. A dump truck carries and dumps heavy loads like sand and rocks. E. E for electric car. An electric car runs on electricity. It is quiet and better for the environment. F. F for forklift. A forklift is used to lift and move heavy items in warehouses. G. G for garbage truck. A garbage truck collects trash from homes and businesses. H. H for hot air balloon. A hot air balloon floats high in the sky using hot air. I for inflatable raft. An inflatable raft is a lightweight boat that can be blown up with air. J. J for Jeep. A Jeep is a strong and sturdy vehicle that can drive on rough terrain. K. K for kayak. A kayak is a small boat that you paddle with a double-ended oar. L. L for logging truck. A logging truck transports large logs from forests to sawmills. It has a long trailer to carry the heavy wood. M. M for motorbike. A motorbike is a two-wheeled vehicle that goes fast. N. N for narrowboat. A narrowboat is a long, slender boat used on canals. O. O for oil tanker. An oil tanker is a huge ship that carries oil across oceans. P. P for police car. A police car helps police officers keep people safe. Q. Q for quad car. A quad car is a four-wheeled vehicle used for riding on rough terrains. R. R for race car. A race car is built to go extremely fast on tracks. S. S for submarine. A submarine travels underwater and can stay submerged for long periods. T. T for tractor. A tractor is used on farms to pull heavy equipment and plow fields. U. U for unicycle. A unicycle has just one wheel and is ridden by balancing carefully. V. V for van. A van is a spacious vehicle that can carry many passengers used by families. W. W for wagon. A wagon is a small, four-wheeled vehicle that can be pulled. X. X for xebec. A xebec is a small, fast-sailing ship used in the Mediterranean. Y. Y for yacht. A yacht is a luxurious boat used for pleasure and recreation. People enjoy sailing it on the ocean or large lakes. Z. Z for zeppelin. A zeppelin is a large airship filled with gas that helps it float. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.